Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got Mercedes E-Class 2015, I think. Yeah, we'll have a look what's going on there. Customer stays, engine management light on, and no problem for the driving, no power losing, nothing. We'll see. I'm going to plug in my computer and have a look what's going on there. I'm going to start the car. You can see here engine management light on, and I'm going to take a computer report. This is the computer saying P229F91 NOx sensor 2 cylinder bank 1 has a malfunction. The component is outside of its expect range. Current stored. Actually, this car been to the couple of garages. They might be do resetting and programming something. I don't know what's going on. However, at the moment, I'm going to attack to the this sensor. I'm going to check the NOx sensor and have a look what's going on for the NOx sensor to try to clean as I normal doing. Until we sort out this problem, I'm not sure what's going on here. After the NOx sensor cleaning, I'm going to take to the motorway. At the moment, I'm based on this faulty codes and go ahead. Next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to jack up the car driver side and read to the NOx sensor 2. It's sit on close to behind to the driver wheel, somewhere middle. Yeah, we'll see what's going on. At the moment, I'm going to jack up the car and come back to you. I already jack up the car. Then I had to remove underneath tray. After that, my mission, remove NOx sensor. Sometime I'm going to use blowtorch. Sometime I can use 22 mil spanner and little bit hammer. If it not, I can use this remove tool, NOx sensor remove tool. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for this one. However, I'm going underneath. First remove the under tray. Then after that, I'll let you know what I going to do underneath. This is similar like a C-Class. You can see here this inside injector bit clog up. I had to clean, and this injector hole not bad, little bit clog up. I had to clean that one. Then after that, this is the NOx sensor 2. I already spray WD-40. Then after that, I'm going to remove that NOx sensor and leave it with the chemical overnight. Then after that, I'm going to reset everything and take to the road test. This is my NOx sensor treatment can, but however I'll take out this thing and leave it like that for a minute, and I'm going to add chemical here and leave it that sensor to clean overnight. Right, then I'm going to leave it this chemical overnight. We already treated for the NOx sensor, already clean at blue hole and the injector all underneath done. Now next step, I'm going to start the car and go with the computer, take a high speed scan. I am not worried about the other faulty codes, only the engine management. Right, under engine management, this is the faulty codes. NOx sensor 2, we already treated for the NOx sensor 2. Read faulty codes. I'm going to clear DTC. Okay, yes, it's cleared, and you can see the dashboard all clear up now. Right, next step, I'm going to the special function. Basically it's a reset learn value for NOx sensor upstream and downstream. I'm going to switch off the car, just ignition on and continue. At the moment, however, computer saying the NOx sensor upstream not successful, NOx sensor downstream not successful. Reset learn value number 1 successful, and the number 2, number 3 successful. Right, okay, I'm assuming it's going to success that one, because sometimes bit difficult to identify success or not. However, at the moment, reset at blue metering value also I'm going to reset, because I already clean the injector. Then I'm going to do the resetting also. Well done. Right, I'm going to leave it as it is, going to switch off and leave the car running hour sort of time. Then after that, I'm going to check with the computer again, then go to the motorway journey. I left the car running nearly hour. Now I'm going to switch off the car, switch on, again switch off, switch on. You can see no any warning light, and I already zero the mileage. Next step, I'm going to check with the computer. Any faulty code left there? See, still no any faulty code. That's a good sign. Then I'm going to take my live data and I'm going to head into the motorway. At the moment, I got the data for I needed, but you can see fill level of diesel particular filter 119. I need to see that one getting lower while I do the motorway journey. Once I come back, I want to see, I don't want to see any faulty code at the computer. Yeah, then let's go for a motorway journey. You can see now DPF filling level going down, now 35. Yeah, that's a good sign. Once I go to the garage, I'll come back to you. Went to the motorway journey, 19.3 miles, and you can see no any funny warning light at the dashboard, but still early to comment anything. However, you can see filling up level for the diesel particular filter, it was 119. However, now it's came to the 8%. That's one also the good sign. Now I'm going to take a computer report. I'm going back from here, going to, before that I'm going to switch it off a couple of times, off, on, because when I do the on and off, if it's something not right there, it will illuminate for the system. Right, now I'm going to read the faulty codes. You can see as it is, no faulty codes. Now another good sign, because two garages told to her she need a change knock sensor and she need to do something for the AdBlue system. However, when she turn up, I can't find any faulty code for the AdBlue system, only the knock sensor 2 left. Then I done my assessment routing. Finally I decide to do the cleaning process. Done the cleaning process, leave it overnight the sensor. Now all went fine. This is the evidence. Thank you. If you have a like this problem, you know what to do. Follow this video. That's it. See you in the next video. Again, I save around £500.